Hello YouTube and welcome to tutorial number 50 in the Microsoft Visual Basic.NET programming tutorials, and today we're going to learn how to write text to an online file on your website. Now first of all, before I start, let me say, yeah, I know I told you it'll be like the 15th or something of August that I'll start making new tutorials, but thanks to ShareCache like paying late, and then like when I ordered my mic, it was like on a no, it was on like a Friday, and then like they won't deliver on Sunday, and then it was bank holiday Monday, so didn't have much luck. But finally got my new mic, and yeah, I hope it's better than the last one. And yeah, so welcome to this tutorial. And today, as I said, we're going to learn how to write text to an online file on your website. Now we're going to use a bit of PHP here, and do not worry if you don't know how to use PHP. It's pretty straightforward, and you don't even really need to understand the code much to use it. We're just going to learn how to make a request, and yeah, that's it. So for this tutorial, please go to the link in the description for all the source codes that you'll be needing. It's the PHP source code and the VB.NET source code. So yeah, step one is we need to register on a free web host, or if you have a web host, that's even better. But today, I'm just going to use Ripway. I have a host, but just because I know a lot of people don't, go to Ripway and then go to register, whatever it is, and then just fill in the details, and then it'll have some add things. Then just keep clicking skip, and yeah, then you'll be able to log in. So go to my account and go to my files. And what we're going to need is the PHP file. Now, if I go to my desktop, I have it right here. It's called post.php. And all it's saying is, if you don't know PHP, then it's just declaring the variable message as get, which is it's like post, but it's I won't explain to you that right now because we're gonna learn in a third tutorial. But we're gonna get w, which I'll show you what that is right now, and it's going to say log the variable log file is data.txt, which is the file we're going to be writing into, and then it's going to open log file and then write message, which is this right here, and then it's going to close it, and that's all you need to know. So I'll save that, and I'm just going to upload it. So click upload files on Ripway, hit browse, desktop, and where is it? Here it is, and upload. Okay, now go to my files and you'll have a link. Right click that and copy link location. Okay, now go into Visual Basic and create a new project and call it write to online file. Okay, now all we're going to need for this is a text box and a button. So double click, make a text box, whatever size you want. This is just going to be the text that we're going to write to the online database, or online file, sorry, and then add a button and double click it. Now we're just going to use a web request to write the value of textbox1 into that text file on our website. All we need to do is declare request as web request equals web request dot create, and now we have our site. Paste it there, and if you don't have that, you need to go to get the location of your post.php, and I showed you what that was before. And what we're going to do is, after that, we're going to put a question mark and then w equals. Now you know when I said that I'll explain what w is. Well, this is, and ignore that little error there, this w is when we, let me just show you here. What this is going to do, it's going to get w and then post it, like it's going to make message the value of w and then post it to this text file. So that's basically all you need to know to understand what's going on here. On one sec, forgot. Do import system.net, and I've spelled that wrong. Sorry about that. Okay, now we're going to need to make w something, and that's going to be the value of textbox1.text. So text on the text there. And what the hell have... Oh, sorry, you need to, I'm just quite tired right now. But, bloody hell, sorry. And then you have add them together there. And now all you need to do is do quest.get response, whoops. And that's it, really. We'll test this out. I'll debug that. And let's say the value is going to be hello world. Hit button 1. And if we refresh it, and we have data.txt, which is in the PHP file, what the file name is called. We go here and you see it's posted testing lol. Sorry, I'm quite tired right now. And yeah, that's all you need to know really for that. You can alter the text, you know, you can use this to track who uses your application. You know, as a security feature, you know, that's just what you can use to do that. And sorry, I forgot, I'd like to credit, I think his name's Tofix or something, for the PHP file, so thanks for that. Yeah, and in the next tutorial I'm going to cover how to use HTTP web requests to post data, like to an online form, such as a login form or a search form or whatever. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the website for more tutorials and resources, and I'll see you.